everyone. Welcome back to Bridging Hearts, navigating cultural differences from Manila to America. I'm Marinka.
And I'm Ria, and we're here to explore the beautiful journey of bridging the gap between two vibrant cultures, which are the Philippines and the US. So, in this episode, we'll dive deep into cultural differences. It's so fun, actually, to talk about this and what we have encountered and share our personal experiences of adapting and navigating the differences both our personal and professional lives. So, Inka,
Yes, so our today's episodes again, cultural differences, bridging the gap, right? So from our last episode, our second episode, we talk about cultural differences between Filipino or the Philippines versus here in the USA, and we talk a lot about from food, from family values, from karaoke. So now we're going to talk more about how we bridge those differences, right? So how we bridge the gap. So, Ria, so how do you bridge the gap?
well, first let's talk about food because
Yes.
everybody knows that, Americans love fries and
Yes.
pizza and burgers. And we have a lot in Washington state. There's a lot of
Mm-hmm.
Vietnamese and Filipino restaurants
Mm-hmm.
popping here and there. But we know that,
Mm-hmm.
we married an American, like
Yes.
a
Mm-hmm.
local, like a Native American. Mine is from
Yes.
Washington state, Puyallup, right? Seattle.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a calendar to follow. Like me, for all my sinigang and all my caldereta, bopis,
Mm-hmm.
nilaga, um, and ang hilig ko dito yung pritong talong lang, 'di ba? Nakuha ko
Yeah,
'yan
masarap
sa
yun.
with
Yes.
bagoong, 'di ba? Yung pork
Yes.
belly,
Mm-hmm.
bina-brown ko 'yan sa oil and then yung bagoong and
Yummy.
tapos may sinigang ka, 'di ba, na pork belly
Yes.
rin or prawn and
Mm-hmm.
our ingredients are very unique. Hindi mo yan
Yep.
mahanap sa
Mm-hmm.
Fred Meyer or Walmart
Uh-huh.
basta-basta, right? So,
Exactly, yes.
especially yung mga okra na yan, Diyos ko, talagang sinasadya namin. So, Washington State has a
Uh-huh.
seafood city. It's a big mega, complex of Filipino grocery with
Mm-hmm.
Red Ribbon, Chowking, and of course,
Mm-hmm.
our favorite Jollibee. We're both wearing red. Hi, Jollibee.
Yeah. We love Jollibee.
So, I, I'm, I think we're crazy about Jollibee in the Philippines, super, but here it's psychological. Like, I need to find a apartment that is just like 5 to 10 minutes. And you know what my requirement is? It has to be close to Jollibee. And my husband just laughs and laughs because the first
Uh-huh.
time that I really like brought, chicken joy
Chicken
to
Joy.
them
Yes.
and the family. And I told him, ang sarap ng pineapple, yung Aloha burger ng Jollibee. And
Yes.
oh my God, they loved it. And the
Uh-huh.
spaghetti, they like it because probably baka suntukin ko sila kasi pag nagustuhan, di ba? So, but I can see it in their face that
Mm-hmm.
manamis na miss, sweet. But oh my God, lately they've been craving about the sweetness of our
Uh-huh.
Pinoy spaghetti. So anyway, sinasadya namin. I have my own
Mm-hmm.
day that at 2 hours, 3 hours, wag mo akong madaliin. I don't wanna be rushed when I'm already like shopping for my Filipino recipe. Mga
Yes.
sitaw na yan and mga squash, butter squash, and oh
Mm-hmm.
my God, they love my gata. Yung gata na
Oh.
squash sitaw with, again, pork belly, pork belly na
Mm-hmm.
stuck in syrup. So, yeah, aside
Mm-hmm.
from Jollibee, the Korean food, we love it. Chinese food, all this Din Tai Fung, right? All these
Mm-hmm.
restaurants,
Mm-hmm.
sinasadya yan. And my husband knows he has to support me in going to Seafood City and Hong Kong Asian
Uh-huh.
Market and bring 8 bags. Like he really waits for me, like at the drop off, and I
Mm-hmm.
need to call him na, eto na, 7 to 8 bags. And oh my God, $400, 25,000 pesos.
Oh my.
Sasadyain mo yan, di ba? 20, 25,
Sasadyain,
mahina ang
yes. Mm-hmm.
15,000. Ko-convert pa
Yes.
ako. But kasi nga,
Mm-hmm.
kailangan bilhin mo lahat sabay-sabay. And natatapon nga lang talaga iba. But ganun kahirap because it's highways and highways of just going to the Filipino grocery store from our place, from our house.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
and yeah, that's and nothing against the burger and pizza. Of course we love it, but
Yes, of
not
course.
every day. I have to
Yeah.
infuse prawn, salmon, gulay,
Yes.
vegetables. What about
Mm-hmm.
you?
Well, you talk about Jollibee, and I got excited about it because I worked in Jollibee actually back in the Philippines when I was in college. So from like second year up to makagraduate ako ng college, I'm a
Iba
Jollibee
ka talaga,
girl.
hustler ka talaga. College pa, Jollibee, nagwo-work.
Yes,
Ang galing.
yeah, I have a certificate na nakalagay Miss Hassel. But anyway, um, yeah. So in terms of bridging the gap, so you mentioned about food. So I have a funny story about the language, right? Because language is also a cultural difference. So back in Hawaii, and I told you I initially moved to Hawaii. I lived there for 5 years. So I was in a surf shop. So of course Hawaii is a surf state, right? So I tried surfing, but it did not work out. But anyway, so I was in a surf shop, and I asked the lady in the counter, "Hey, can I have one wax?" And she was like so confused, like, walks? What do you mean walks? But in a very polite way, right? So I said, oh, you know what? The one that you put on top of your surfboard. Oh, you mean wax? Okay. So I was embarrassed, and I said, oh, okay. So yeah, I think that's one ways of bridging the gaps is we have to be aware, and we have to educate ourselves of the differences, right? English language, we in the Philippines, we are English speaking country, right? But still we have our own accent. I've been here for a decade. I still have accent. So I think that is one ways to bridge the gap is we have to learn. You have to compromise, right? You have grocery, but I think for me, we also have to be aware of the differences, and we have to educate ourselves, right? So the other thing is, embrace that the differences, right? Respect. Like for example, you mentioned Jollibee, and then from here to Kuala, it's 3 hours drive. So it's total of 6 hours. And whenever I crave for Filipino food and Jollibee, we have to like drive, right, for 6 hours back and
Oh
forth.
my, make
And
a
that's
day
one
out of
thing.
it. It's a day or
Yes.
overnight
And
in a hotel. Just to do that.
exactly. So that's one thing I appreciate about my family is they are also embracing, that culture of me, that difference, right? They respect that, okay, mommy loves Jollibee or mommy loves her Filipino food. So we had to like compromise, like, okay, can we please, drive 6 hours to get Jollibee? And I really appreciate that. So again, I think it's more of again cultural
Oh, and the
awareness and
respect.
educate
Oh,
and respect
respecting.
education, educating ourselves of those differences,
Oh,
and embracing that, the diversity, the differences, right? So yeah, that language is something that I will never forget,
yeah.
because after that's like, what is the difference between wax and wax? Like what?
The
It's
difference
like
is you have to say Wex.
wax.
Like you have
Yes,
to
it's
probably end to
you have
end smile, Wex, and the other one is
that's
wax.
the accent. And actually, that's another thing that in our professional life, right? So we talk to a lot of people, right? Different people, not just here in the US, like people from the UK, right? From US, from India, from all
Australia,
over the
yeah,
from
Malaysia.
Australia.
Yep.
And yes, it's the language, right? It's the language, as we say, there's a language barrier, right? But again, those are differences that I think we need to embrace. But at the same time, we also have to learn, right, from one another, right, and learn
But
and
they're very
respect.
impressed
Mm.
with
Uh-huh.
I think you know this, right? That every time we talk to Americans, I always
Mm-hmm.
hear them, "Oh, your English is so good. Where are you
Yes.
coming from?" And they're like, because not all
Uh-huh.
Asians speak
Mm-hmm.
straight English. But I
Yes.
said, yeah, because I work for my bosses are American for 25 years. I'm reporting to IBM, Microsoft, and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I mean business English, and your communication is very important to all these multinationals. It's global.
Exactly.
So I
Exactly.
think it's
Yes.
one of
Yes.
our
Mm-hmm.
we're blessed to be given the
Mm-hmm.
opportunity, and because we're hard workers too, right? We studied
Mm-hmm.
very hard to be able to penetrate to, the US high-tech giants, and it's not
Exactly.
easy for Asians, Filipinas,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Thailand, Vietnamese.
That's
So yeah,
true.
and one more. I think it's very interesting. Oh my God, I really cannot wear all my high heels in Washington State, and goodbye high heels and
Goodbye,
makeup and
Hayos.
all my Zara, like
Mm-hmm.
dresses. One thing that I've noticed in Washington State,
Mm-hmm.
because of the cold and the mountains and
Mm-hmm.
the lakes, as you said, outdoor. So I've tried to collect like Under Armour now, or camping gears, or like hoodies.
Yes.
Hoodies and flip-flops. So
Mm-hmm.
and rain boots. The rain
Mm-hmm.
and being wet here in the Pacific
Mm-hmm.
Northwest. You're in Oregon, we're
Yes.
almost like neighbors. Washington State and Oregon are,
Yep.
neighboring
Yep.
state. So
Yes.
the trees and the lakes and the mountains, right, are
Mm-hmm.
the ones that you have to pakisamahan mo ang mga bundok dito, at ang mga tubig at rivers and lakes. So, and
Mm-hmm.
unlike in the Philippines, Makati, right? We work in
Mm-hmm.
cities like Manila,
Mm-hmm.
Makati is like
Mm-hmm.
the New York of
Mm-hmm.
Philippines, and puro
Mm-hmm.
asphalt, right? It's an
Mm-hmm.
asphalt jungle.
That's true. That's true. I think the other thing is the way we celebrate our, holidays, especially Christmas. That is one difference that I really noticed when I was, when I moved here. The Christmas celebration here is very different than the Philippines, because in our country, in the Philippines, we start Christmas as early as September, right? So we
September.
start like
Exactly.
decoration,
September 1, September 8.
Christmas songs. So it's already playing in the mall, right? So everywhere. So yeah. And then here it was different. So
Different.
back in the Philippines, we have Noche Buena, right?
And
So
then yung mga
12
parol,
midnight,
the
we
stars hanging
celebrate.
lights. Oh my God,
Ex-
thousands of parol.
exactly. So the way I bridge that gap is, of course, I respect the way they celebrate here, and they also respected the way I celebrate Christmas. And slowly I introduced to my family here and extended family how we celebrate Christmas, and now they enjoy it. Like, we will have a lot of games, a lot of food, and we stay up until, like, they don't really like eat at 12 midnight. We have dinner as early like 8 or 7. But now they embrace that tradition, that Christmas tradition, that we have lots of games and lots of food. So I think, again, embracing the differences is a key, right, to bridge the gap.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I think
Mm-hmm.
we're also very lucky. I think this is also very important to say to
Mm-hmm.
our audience that
Yes.
your partner is key. He's like your
Correct. Mm-hmm.
friend, right? And
Mm-hmm.
friends are friends. It's the
Yep.
friendship that matters too. And we're just so blessed that, they try to really understand. That's
Mm-hmm.
love, right? That's the love language. And
Mm-hmm.
we also try to,
Mm-hmm.
understand them. Like, I'm really not used to camping, right? Like,
Yes.
I'm so used
Mm-hmm.
to aircon. Like, tayo Hotel Shangri-La and yung bahay natin, di ba? Parang, oh my God, 5 aircon and whatever, and malinis.
Uh-huh.
And
Mm-hmm.
nung first time ako dito is, syempre, ang hilig nung asawa ko, di ba? My husband is all
Uh-huh.
about, camping and even the
Mm-hmm.
family. So, okay. And then I said, oh, I really need to buy that mattress, yung mataas, yung talagang ang taas-taas, because ayokong dumikit sa lupa. Tumiga na, baka may ahas. Di
Uh-huh.
ba?
Yeah.
Tuklawin ako, or there's like
Uh-huh.
whatever, like lion or tiger waiting for me and
Uh-huh.
make me their pork chop for the day. So, mga tumatakbo sa utak ko, because I'm a city girl, right? It's just
Yes, for
our
sure.
concrete
Yeah.
house and,
Mm-hmm.
car, and we go to, our university school, or, hotels and massive buildings, like it's like New York,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes.
Skyline. And
Yeah.
dito parang may lake, tapos tatawid ako sa lake ng mga bato-bato, madulas ako. Oh my God. And then, nagwe-wedge pa ako nung una. Di ba? And natawa sila ng tawa. Ria is like, wearing dulas-dulas ako. Hinubad ko,
Uh-huh.
nagpaan na lang ako. Kasi
Mm-hmm.
syempre, lake at bato. So,
Correct.
naisip ko, oh my God, Jesus Christ, yung mga Valentino kong sapatos, ano ba yan? Parang mga stud-stud kong sapatos, yung mga bling-bling.
Oo.
Kaya,
Oo.
kaya ngayon, di ba, makeup ako dahil syempre, di ba? So, dahil, Diyos ko, napanis na yung 30 lipsticks ko na MAC. Ano ba yan? Diba? Nanigas na. Yung, hindi na
Nanigas
siya
na.
creamy lipstick. Di ba? Parang, ano to? Parang may amag na yung lipstick ko dahil hindi ko na masuot araw-araw. Unlike when we were in
True.
Oracle, right? We both work in
Uh-huh.
Oracle NetSuite. It's like, see,
Uh-huh.
I'm a sales and marketing leader, right?
Mhm.
So I have every second, it's like, oh my God, lipstick and makeup and cheek
Yes.
blush. And everybody, that's why I said to my husband, the professionals like us who work in all this, technologies or, offices are like, hindi naman yung crazy rich Asians, but we love
Mhm.
makeup. We love to doll up. Yeah,
I'm not really into makeup actually.
I know. That's why
Well, yeah, and you know
but
that. And
you understand me when you are with the
yes,
sales and
exactly. Of
marketers, right?
course.
Like
Yes.
all this black suit and tie and
Yes.
ko pagandahan ng bagyan, tsaka ng relo, tsaka ng,
Mhm.
watches
Mhm.
and heels because as you said, you're selling to CEO, CFO and you're
Yes,
selling a
that's true.
multi-million dollar software and you cannot just but of course
Mhm.
product managers and technical like
Mhm.
implementers like you are a
Mhm.
different group too, right? So,
Yes.
but yeah, Washington State to me is it humbled me actually.
That's good. That's
Really
good.
humbled me
I'm glad.
so
I'm
much.
glad to hear that. Yes. Um. Yeah. It's an outdoor state for sure. Even me, I love I love nature. I love being outside. I love hiking. But before I was kind of struggling as well, right? Kasi hindi naman natin to talaga ginagawa on a daily basis, on a regular basis back in the Philippines. But when I moved to Hawaii, my weekend is either hiking or going to the beach. We rarely go to the mall or shop or anything like that because we're not really into it. I mean, again, it's individuals' preferences, right? But nag-adapt din ako kasi hindi ko naman yung ginagawa talaga on a regular basis like camping, hiking. So yun. So anyways, I think our key takeaway for this episode is that bridging the gap can be challenging, right? But it is essential, to foster understanding, respect, and harmony, right? So as you mentioned earlier, between couples, right? You compromise your differences. So again, it's you just have to embrace it and respect, right? Do you agree?
Yeah, I super agree.
Mm-hmm.
And to add to your, that idea too is really like
Mm-hmm.
it's healthier. Like
Mm-hmm.
before, I used to just, from 6 a.m., I'm in the Peninsula Lounge or Grand Hyatt
Mm-hmm.
Lounge waiting for my
Mm-hmm.
customers. 6 a.m. breakfast,
Mm-hmm.
nakaupo just with your
Mm-hmm.
phone and
Mm-hmm.
table and waiting for them until afternoon. You're in a hotel or you go to the mall
Mm-hmm.
hotel and cafe and puro kape
Yeah.
na, di ba? 7 Starbucks. Kaya tataba ka talaga, you'll be fat because it's
Yes.
all the Frappuccino every day. And that's the
Yes.
lifestyle of a sales
Correct.
and
Yeah.
marketing person like me, always
Yes.
with
Yes.
clients. So it's healthier and sometimes you need to, as you said, embrace and it's essential because you never know that will make you as a better person.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Wala kang arthritis kasi lagi kang naka-sneakers and flip-flops. I mean, and now every time I see a lake, like I have a lake property, right? Unobstructed
Yes.
view and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
parang nawala yung high blood pressure, because you're lake living.
Yes.
And before it's
That's
all the
true.
taxi and it's all the smoke and it's all the Starbucks and all the fast food
Mm-hmm.
and all the chasing of
Chasing.
the chasing of people that you need to
Yes.
close this deal every day, every hour. It's so
Exactly. Yep.
stressful
Mm-hmm.
in Asia.
Yep.
Asia market when it comes to work is highly stressful, I can say. And dahil
Mm-hmm.
nakalbo ko dun, half of my hair were like gone because of my stress in
Oh
sales.
my.
Yeah.
Uh,
So here my hair has grown. So see, it
uh-huh.
humbled me in terms of the spirit. The Washington, it humbled me. And
Mm-hmm.
it made me realize that wow, the rivers and the trees are like
Mm-hmm.
God's gift. It's
Mm-hmm.
the nature is
Mm-hmm.
better than the asphalt jungle. So as you said, embrace it. So that's my key takeaway.
Yes, yes. Again, embracing that the diversity and the differences will going to foster that meaningful connection
Meaningful
and
life.
relationship, right?
Yeah.
So, so I hope our audience enjoyed this episode and learned a few things from us, and hopefully, um, they will connect with us as well and share their stories, right? So feel free to reach out to us if you want to share your own story about,
Yeah,
if you are fellow Filipino adjusting to the life here
especially
in America, or
yes.
just, curious about all this cultural
Build a
diversity.
tribe. This is
Yes,
our intention and palakasin
yes,
natin, empower ourselves. Our
yes.
spirits are down sometimes
Mm-hmm,
because it's hard. As you said, right? You're away from the
mm-hmm,
family. I mean, me, my mom and my dad died. So it's like my
mm-hmm.
family's, hindi na ako obligado. Di ba? Na yung parang umuwi sa Pilipinas
True,
because
yeah.
iiyak at namimiss ko mama at papa ko. So yours is
Mm-hmm.
different, right? You still have your big family. My family is very, very small. So it's
Yes,
like,
yes.
dito talaga na ako parang nag-uumpisa ng yung pamilya, at
Yeah, yes.
yung
Mm-hmm.
pamilya, it's a new family for me, a new world. So it's exciting. And as you always say,
Yes, as I always say, life is what you make it. So, until our next episode.
perfect. And you are your own superhero. I mean, whether you like it or not, whether you're in Africa or in the Middle East, you have to
Mm-hmm.
save yourself and find happiness wherever you are. So, guys, thank you so much for being with Marinka and Ria. We are the Bridging Hearts, from
Yep.
Manila to America. Personal stories
Yep.
certified. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Ina.